Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add the place to your collection in the Here We Go application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then drag this section at the bottom of the place up to see more functions. And at the Your Collections section, click on the collection that you created. And then click on the Add a Place button. And then just type in the destination that you want to set. And it is added to your collection, and as you can see, the places section changed to 1, and you can always add more with the same method. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.